My name is Vijay Shastri. I'm a professor of computer science at UHD. I'm also an assistant chair of the Department of Computer Science and Engineering Technology. We appreciate your interest in our master's program in AI. This is an application-oriented program that combines fundamental knowledge of AI with hands-on training in AI-specific applications. You must have experienced some of the AI applications in recent years. Autonomous cars, personalized shopping, AI chatbots are just a few AI applications to mention. Our program covers fundamental concepts and latest technology behind these applications. In particular, the program offers courses such as Introduction to AI, Machine Learning, Deep Learning to cover AI foundations. Having strong AI foundations, the program offers application-oriented courses, natural language processing, computer vision, AI for business analytics. The programming language used throughout the program is Python. We have a leveling course in Python for those who don't have background in programming. We hope you join our program and allow us to be part of your AI journey.